Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use the screen sharing feature inside Google AI Studio. This is useful for live demos or testing model outputs while sharing your screen. So the first thing that you will have to do from your Google AI Studio homepage, you will go ahead and click playground, which is right here. And now that you're here, you will have to look for um screen share icon, so it should be right here somewhere if it's available for you. So yeah, you do have to make sure first that you're using the correct version so that you will be able to actually see this feature. So it should be somewhere on your bottom right corner of your prompt editor if it's again if it's available for you. So you should see it right here somewhere. But yeah, again, if it's available for you, what you will just have to do is click that, and then you will select what to share, whether it's your entire screen, window, browser tab, and then you will just have to click share. And you could also use it with your models. The model can analyze what's on your screen depending on the features available, whether it's reading text, analyzing UI, or describing images. And once you're done, you will just have to click stop screen sharing anytime you want. So it should be at the bottom of your screen as well, or inside AI Studio somewhere right here. So yeah, that's basically how you can use the screen sharing feature in Google AI Studio for real-time collaboration and demos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one.